Welcome to Mix and Business Mom. Happy Halloween if you celebrate, and if you don't, forget I said anything. We're still friends, right? So as I've been compiling information to do a habits series, a series on habits and routines and systems, I just realized the enormity of the task. So we are doing a prep video again. Last week we prepped the house, right? Getting the house as clean as we can make it. And that's why we did the messy home tour versus the clean home tour, so that I could start my habits from a place of cleanliness. I felt that I would like to start myself off the same way. If I have that much respect for my house, and if I'm caring for my house, and it's been my goal all year long to care for the planet and to care for my loved ones, just using that word care, I felt like I should do some self-care with Rachel. 6 years, 2 kids, very few haircuts or manicures or new clothes. I left myself in the dust, basically, and I wanted to have a fun video. You guys could see my new haircut. You could tell that I was spending a little time on the way I present myself and the way I care for myself, and starting Rachel anew, so that habits like eating healthy and working out and taking care of my health and my mind and my spirit would be starting from a really clean place, just like my house. So I hope it just brings you a happy day. We can at least be cared for. Okay, I got my ThredUp box. This is my little Rachel reward. And we're just gonna see. I already opened it. Sorry, ruined the surprise, but it's still very exciting. And these are the first things I'm gonna try on, these jeans. Let's try it. They're a little too big, but honestly, like, better too big than too small, right? Because they're super comfortable. And they are real jean. They're not too stretchy or too thin, so I feel like they will last. Although I always wear them out quick because I wear jeans every day, except for weekends. And then I didn't know this detailing was going to be so big. So I wasn't expecting full-on embroidery, but it actually feels pretty soft, so I'm not as worried about it as when it first came out of the box and I saw it. So I'll keep them. Hey, and I'm definitely keeping this. I love this, even though it is too big. So we're okay with, I mean, it doesn't look, I would rather err on the side of something being not tight enough than too tight, because I don't want to be on display. This is outfit number 2. I do feel like, I feel like the shape of this one is a little too rectangular. However, good points about it. Look, this is long, which I like, so it might look really good with other pants, like skinnier pants. Like, there's enough fabric so that everything just like hangs nicely in shapes and nothing catches, which is why I've wanted a billowy pants type outfit. And these are linen pants, and they just feel really good. I've been wanting to get more into natural fibers. This shirt is 100% cotton. This is 100% linen. I like it. I do like it. I didn't know if I was gonna like this shirt, and I do. It's feminine. And I like how this line sits right here, making this good shape right here. And I like that this has pockets, and I like that they're not too high watery. I like that they're not mid-calf, they do come down. So we're keeping this too. Okay. Trying to stand off to the side again so that you guys can see. It says, "Our planet needs your love," which is true. And I like, here, get it as far back as possible. I like it because I've been wanting a regular t-shirt that fits me well and isn't squeezing me, because I have like a cute Tommy Hilfiger one that's probably you've seen in the videos, but it squeezes me and it's not comfortable. And this doesn't go down too far. It's perfect for wearing with jeans, which is what my standard uniform for teaching lessons is: t-shirt and jeans. An event t-shirt or a concert t-shirt, they just never fit well, and this does. I like it. I looked at the measurements. That's why I love ThredUp, because they have every measurement. Okay. Yeah, I like it. We're keeping it. Okay, now we're getting into uncharted territory for me. I have never worn a jumpsuit, but I saw a picture of my friend in the cutest jumpsuit on Instagram, so I ordered 2 from ThredUp. Okay, so positive points. I feel like this would fit me even if I was a little bigger or a little smaller. It is a little bit constrictive here, but when it comes up here, this doesn't look bad. Like, this still maintains like that proper shape. I really like the V-neck. Cool V-neck. It's got a collar, which I'm destroying. Great neckline, great sleeve length for my arms. Great kind of high waist, but doesn't cut me in a weird place. I don't think. You guys might think so differently in the comments. The only thing I don't like is how high it is. It's that mid-calf, that awkward mid-calf length. But I still think I'm gonna keep it. I mean, returning stuff costs $1.99, so it's kind of a deterrent. That's way better than I expected. Okay, this is the one I was the most excited about because it's navy blue, my eyes are blue, and polka dots. My daughter loves polka dots, and it is like wider in the leg than the other jumpsuit, so I'm really excited about that. It looks very pear-shaped, but if I'm sucking in a little bit, which I shouldn't have to do, but still. Okay, I'm gonna walk up. I'll be interested to see how this looks on the video when I watch it back. I like the idea and I like the pockets, and it is comfortable. I think in order to make it like my favorite clothing item, I would have to lose weight, which isn't ideal. But again, $1.99 restocking fee or return fee or whatever, and it kind of makes me want to keep it and see where my body goes with my habit tracking and everything. I really like, again, the V-neck, and this V-neck is a little lower than the other one. So that's kind of sexy, and this is cool. I like how when I lift this up, like my wings expand. I don't know, I just think that looks cool, and it still maintains some shape, although it's a wider shape than is actually me. Like, I'm not this big. This is, and I am, like, I could take that in. I could take that in, especially when I get more comfortable with this. But again, the goal isn't to lose weight. The goal is to buy something that works for my current body type. So the question is, will I wear it with this body type? And I think I will. I think I'm gonna wear it today, actually. I think I'm gonna wear it to church. So that's it. That's my whole ThredUp box. It's very exciting. I was a little more restrained this time. Last time I ordered from ThredUp, which was last year, I also got boots. But I'm gonna wear those boots today too. So they're still working. Okay. This is my Rachel reward for doing all my habits. Yay! Okay, we are following the 1 in, 1 out rule. This shirt, which is, you know, the neat one I'm keeping, I am going to give away these 2 ones. As you can see, they're similar in color, and this is that same, like, frilly sleeve style and kind of boxy shape, but I don't like the fabric nearly as much. Seriously, if you were touching this, like, this feels fake, like plastic, and this just feels, you know, wonderful. And it's inside out. I just realized that's okay. Okay, goodbye, new shirt. Fold you up. And then, so these are getting donated. This new cool black jumper with the neat V-neck is gonna replace this. It's like a t-shirt dress. I cannot imagine why I wanted something this short, and I won't be wanting something that short again. The other jumper, the polka dot jumper, is going to be replacing this. Things I don't like about this one, even though it's pretty. Again, the material is fake. It's not made of real, you know, natural fabrics. Let's check. Let's see. Yep, 100% polyester. And then the panel inside is nylon, and oh, Oh, the lace. The lining is also 100% polyester. So the only thing we're looking at that has any cotton in it is this lacing. Which actually, yeah, when I put my fingers on it, does feel smoother, nicer. This is going bye-bye. These jeans, this is wearing very thin, and they're not really that big. They're tight. I did wear them after having my first kid. I wore them to the pumpkin patch after having my son, but haven't been able to fit into them a second time, I don't think. And that first time wasn't super pleasant. They were very tight, so bye-bye. And they have a hole in the knee. Okay, and then I want to give these away. We're gonna do a little label checking on these two. 94% polyester and 6% spandex, which is the only thing that gave them a little bit of give, and that they didn't really even have that much give. And I didn't notice this stain before, but yeah. Anyway, giving those away, because I have some nice linen. Well, I'm actually wearing them right now. So as we finish up this task that's simultaneously caring for me, this is my new clothes, new to me, and caring for the environment. I'm trying to show the balance, right? I would prefer to buy secondhand stuff. Even if something's sustainably made, it's so expensive that I could use, that money for something else. And I did use that money for something else. Like I said, I got a haircut, I got a pedicure, and I did my own manicure, but the pedicure, I haven't had one of those in 4 years. So it was a week of luxury because I was getting really discouraged about whether I was having any impact at all changing my entire habits and routines. And we'll discuss that as we get into the habits and routines and systems series. I think it's really, really important. I'm not quitting, just like I'm not quitting at my YouTube channel. It was nice to do something nice for me. And I feel that same way about everything. It's nice to do nice things for the world and nice to do nice things for my children. And service, it really is so important. And when someone does service for me, it lights me up. So that someone this week that did service for me was me, and I am grateful. And I'm grateful to be able to have the means to do so. And my gratitude is full. So I hope that you guys have a week full of gratitude as well. Take care.